So our next chairman of the CCDSI, Dr. K.K. Lohani is a friend of mine. So I have great pleasure in installing him as a chairman of the CCDSI Bihar Jharkhand for the next session. Dr. Lohani, please.
Thank you, Dr. N.K. Singh. I will collect material from you personally. Sometime I will come to Dhanbad and collect it.
Yeah.
Distinguished senior colleagues and friends, Clinical Cardio-Diabetic Society of India has always been very close to my heart, and its reason is very explicit. About 5 years back, when this organization was being formed, I was made its founder secretary. I served on the aforesaid post for 3 years under guidance of stalwarts like Dr. Professor A.N. Rai, Dr. Arul Raj, and Dr. R. Rajshekhar. It is really a matter of pride and privilege for me that I've been made the chairman of CCDSI Bihar and Jharkhand chapter. I promise I will leave no stone unturned to maintain the standard set by my predecessors like Dr. Hemshankar Sharma, Dr. Devi Ram, Dr. Ajay Sinha, and Dr. N.K. Singh. I also look forward to have a perfect coordination with our national team headed by a very, very humble president, Dr. D.P. Khaitan, and a very sincere secretary, Dr. Mrityunjay Kumar Singh. I'm quite confident CCDSI will reach newer height in the year to come with our visionary leader, Dr. A.N. Rai, at the helm of the affair. And I'm equally confident that CCDSI Bihar chapter, Bihar and Jharkhand chapter will continue to serve as backbone of national CCDSI. Coming to this conference, I must appreciate the effort of organizing chairman Dr. N.K. Singh, organizing secretary Dr. Arya, scientific chairman Dr. Virmani, and Juventus team. They have really done a wonderful job. It simply shows their commitment to continuing medical education. Personally, I extend my greetings to all faculty members and especially the guest speakers from different parts of the country for giving a national look to this virtual conference. I would like to express my gratitude to our chief guest, respected Dr. B.B. Thakur, who needs no introduction in any gathering of physicians in this country. Thank you very much, sir, for sparing your valuable time for CCDSI. With same spirit and enthusiasm, I would like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari, the very down-to-earth president of Association of Physicians of India, and Dr. Bansi Sabu, the young and charming president of Research Society for the Study of Diabetes in India. I request all the leaders of API, RSSDI, and CCDSI to come together and join hands to serve the humanity in this hour of crisis. What I mean to say is quite clear. Human civilization and medical fraternity are going through the most difficult time in this COVID-19 pandemic. More than 17 crore victims and 37 lakhs deaths in just 17 months is something which we never heard of in our life. Well, in this regard, I request everybody to come together because only a combined and coordinated effort can combat this crisis. In this regard, I would like to quote a very famous line from Urdu literature. चमन में इख्तिलाते रंग और खुशबू से बात बनती है. इख्तिलात means togetherness. चमन में इख्तिलाते रंग और खुशबू से बात बनती है. हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो. What I mean to say is not very difficult to guess. Let us come together, join hands, and fight COVID-19 and serve for ailing humanity right now. Thank you very much. Long live CCDSI, long live medical profession. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And